Hey y'all, it's me, Robin. So I'm coming to you guys with a quick, natural, no makeup look on the way, 5-minute. Why? What can I do? Not look like shit. Hey y'all, it's me, Robin. So I'm coming to you guys with a quick, natural, no makeup look on the way, 5-minute. Why? What can I do? Not look like shit. And you know I'm serious. This is about to be ultra quick because I'm running late my damn self. So first thing first, I got a vanity here, but I don't know why I'm not good at looking at a vanity. I just love like a hand mirror. Like I love, with the right lighting and a hand mirror, I love it. So first thing first, as you can see, I got these dark ass circles. But you know what? Being a girl with dark circles is very helpful when you're on the hurry. Because guess what? I get this bottom row together, bottom lid, top lid, bitch, smoky eye. Not playing, no cap. So I need a little bit of color corrector, but not too much because, you know, I can't cover it up if I'm not caking my face full of makeup, which I have no time to do. So I'm going to go into this Anastasia Beverly contour palette. You know, this shit was all the rage like 5 years ago. I'm sorry, I can't talk because I don't have my retainers in, but when I take them out, I talk worse. It's like my body is used to having retainers or something. So I just go underneath this eye really well. Because this one, I do use LA Pro, but LA Pro is more heavy duty. This one I could blend out with no effort. And you know what? Let me get a little bit around the edges of my mouth. Just a little bit. Of course, I'm using a wet beauty. Of course, I'm using a wet beauty blender. And yes, bitch, this is the real beauty blender. I got like 7 beauty blenders. I only have one real one. And it's crazy because the real one is like so soft. It's good for everyday makeup, but I do like my fake ones when I be like beating the hell out of this damn face, okay? So, next thing, I'm going to go in with my foundation. I don't know what I want to use today. I have 2 foundations that I love to use. Fenty, I just got into her. I know I'm late. I just got into her. And this is my favorite everyday go-to foundation. And this is CoverGirl True Blend. Fenty is good and all, but sometimes she leaves me a little gray, honey. Like, she do good throughout the day, or like if I build her up with something, but she leave me a little gray if I just be trying to put her on and walk out the door. Like, nah, honey. No, sis. So, I'm just using this beauty blender to dab in everything. And why I look like that color corrector is not going to blend. And I like this True Match because I could really build it up without looking cakey. Oh, I just got such a tan. So I try to avoid the forehead because my forehead is already dark. And I'm seriously like rubbing this bad boy in. Every now and then you gotta check yourself before you wreck yourself. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Cause honey, while I'm trying to film, bitch, what? Okay. Right now I'm feeling dewy / ghosty realness, but I just love this True Blend because it oxidizes so nicely. Yes, bitch. Okay, next step, simple as hell, eyebrows. So I got my eyebrows microbladed. So I don't be needing to go ham with the brows, but I just be wanting to get a little, you know, contour look, or no, not contour. I take it back. You know, brows is the thing now, a feather look. So I like to just go in mainly to make sure I ain't got no makeup on them, on my tattooed microbladed part. And I like to go in the front. And of course, this is Beverly Hills as well. And I like to give my brow a more feather look. Just a little bit of feather look. Y'all probably can't tell the difference. So, this is Anastasia Beverly. What is this called? Brow Wiz? Ooh, I remember it. Brow Wiz. So, where's my beauty blender? So all in between, I'm like blending my face, because that's the key to looking natural. Blending the hell out this face. Like, just beating it. Like, just beating the hell out that face. Okay. Next. Oh, my girl, Juvias Place. Okay. Saharan blush, baby. So I want to go into this color right here, Tau. This is my favorite blush. When I tell y'all this is my favorite blush, like, it gives you such an orangey, like, delectable. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this brush I have that I don't know what the hell it is, because, you know, don't ask me what it is. I just like the little mermaid tails, and I bought the whole set. Long story short, they trash as hell. But the big brushes, you know, you can't never go wrong with a big ass, fat ass brush. It's just the eyeshadow ones is trash as hell. So I'm going to go into this, and I'm just going to be generous. And when I say generous, I mean generous. Like, I like to be looking pinky, clowny, like clown-ass vibes. Like, I love to serve that. I don't know why. I'm a blush bitch. Like, when I say I'm a blush bitch, I'm a blush bitch. Let me make sure, like I said, check yourself when you wreck yourself. Because, honey, you be in this camera trying to look cute. You be serving casket sharpness. Okay. See, it's just warming me all up. Like, ooh, warming me all up. Yes, where that color corrector was about to go wrong, this side is gonna come and be right. Okay, real simple, real rosy, blushy cuteness. Just give me a little bit more. Let me give a little more. You know I can't go wrong with a little bit more. A little bit more. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Like, this boob is so much better than the other boob. Like, go girl, go girl, go girl. Let me stop. Because I see my arms a little bit more than my titties. Story of my life. So, the final, well, not final, but shit. This part. This part is going to be bronzer. So, this is going to pull it. If the blush pulled you, this bronzer is going to pull you. So, this is Fenty, the new bronzer they have. And I love it. I got the shade Coco Naughty. Coco Lottie. No, not Lottie. Naughty. And it is so gorgeous and creamy. Like, it's just to die for. Like, I love, this is my favorite Fenty product. Like, for real. A homegirl will fuck with a bronzers. Like, the long way. It's so, like, I don't know. It's just something about a bronzer. Just pulls you all together. Like, it just looks so good. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. I'm such a loser. Like, I just put it all over my damn face, quite frankly, if you can't tell. Except for here, here, and here. I'll put it all over my face. Because that's what, like, making sure you have those right shadows or undertones, that's what will make you look more natural. Okay. Okay, I could do with this. This is a cute little natural face. I could do with this. So you can decide if you want to do lashes or not. I'm not going to, because my eyes are really, really itchy, and it's wintertime. Damn, that's a winter. It's summertime in Atlanta. It's spring, and I wear contacts, and I just can't do the contacts and the lashes today. But the lashes will, like, bring the whole look together, I promise you. But I don't know. I like the little bare face cutie. You know, I like it. I like it. I don't know. Maybe I'm going to add a little highlight. Let me add a little highlight. So I'm going to add a little highlight. And this is Fenty Beauty as well. I had this for a minute. This is the, How Many Carats. Oh, this is part of the Diamond Bob collection. How Many Carats. I had this for a minute. But when I first got it, I wasn't really into it like that. But now, I don't know what about it. Girl, I could not get enough of this stuff. Like, seriously, I'm really into it. I think because I like my highlight more intense and it barely shows up, and it's real creamy, so it's hard to, like, get the right amount of contact from the palette. But that's perfect for an everyday, like, beat look. You know, it's like, it's so gorgeous. Like, look at this. That is gorgeous. This is perfect for on a minute, last minute on the go. Last minute on the go foundation. So let me just blend this right here, because I shouldn't have put that much up there. What the hell's on this brush? Long ain't no more highlight. But isn't that gorgeous? That is beautiful. So I like to end off with a lip liner and some lip gloss. Okay, so sis, just because I ain't wear no lashes doesn't mean I don't have to put on mascara. And I'm going to put on some lip liner, which is by Colourpop. And this is, what color is it? Mamacita, Mamacita, Mamacita. So I kind of dab it on. I already put some on a little bit. I didn't really like it, but damn, am I tearing up my shit? So this lip liner is really burgundy-esque, and I really would like a true brown lip liner, which I don't have. What color is this? I have another Colourpop lippy, and this is Bff3. Let's see. Everybody rave about it, but I think I'm a little too chocolate for this. Wow. Barely no difference. But let's move along, shall we? Okay. So my lip gloss that I've been obsessed with has been also Colourpop's So Juicy collection. Oh, they have glitter ones. They have tinted ones. Like, I just love them. And it's plumping. So, all my filler is gone. So a bitch need that plumping action, okay? And you know, when you put this on, got to be more careful. Because, honey, it do have, like, this white, cloudy look. And I messed around one day in class, like, let me just put on some lip gloss. Honey, went to the bathroom, my mouth was just like, like, I'm like, what the hell? Why did I not know this color is on this lip gloss? I just assumed it was going to be transparent. I don't know. It damn near is, but got to be more careful when you use it, honey. So that's the end of my look. Like, that's it. Like, I mean, nothing more. And if you want to know the color of this lip gloss, this is called Roundabout. I bought like 5 of them. I love all of them. But this is it. Like, just a simple, clean look. This is what I do. Woman of color. But if y'all like more videos like this, I'm not a makeup artist, boo. I'm just a finesser. But if y'all like more videos like this, like, comment, subscribe. I got y'all. Say bye to the girl. Say bye to the girl. Say bye, people. Bye, people. Say bye. Bye, people. Bye, people. Say bye.